Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm going to share with you how you can make your house smell wonderful for the holidays, but without using any sort of synthetic fragrances or any chemicals, and that's just by using Young Living essential oils. My absolute favorite way to incorporate the scents of the holidays is by using an oil called Christmas Spirit from Young Living. This actually is a blend of 3 different oils. It is definitely one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite holiday blends for sure, if not the favorite. And in here you smell the orange that is in here. In addition to that, you'll smell spruce, and you will also smell some cinnamon. It is, like I say, it is one of my favorite holiday scents. So I love to use it in the diffuser, but I'm going to share with you 2 other ways that you can incorporate this essential oil into your house for the holidays. I will also share with you a couple other blends that you can make yourself if you have your premium starter kit already. This oil is unfortunately not in the premium starter kit, but you can pick it up for just, I think it's $10.50 wholesale. So if you're getting your premium starter kit today, you can go ahead and add Christmas Spirit to your order, and you will get that lower wholesale price in that same transaction. So like I said, I love to use it in my diffuser. There's a myriad of different diffusers that you can purchase from Young Living. I would say my favorite is this one, and this is the Desert Mist. Oh, hi Tracy, thanks for joining. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser, and in here, all you'll do is you'll take off the outer cover, and then you have just a little inner cover. And here I already have my water, and all you'll do is you will add, I would say, about 8 to 10 drops of your Christmas Spirit. And by the way, as you're watching this, if you want to go ahead and get your premium starter kit, you can do so via the link in this blog post, in this post. So you'll add, like I say, about 8 to 10 drops. And I just have regular tap water in my diffuser right here. And then you'll just take your inner cover and put that right back on top. And the reason I love the Desert Mist Diffuser so much is because it has a lot of really great features. It has some really cool light features, and it also has different settings, so you can have it on high, low, or intermittent. So there's a lot that you can do with this individual diffuser. And this is, like I say, it's one of the options. It's called the Desert Mist Diffuser that you can get with your premium starter kit. So like I said, I just added about 8 to 10 drops of our Christmas Spirit in our diffuser here. And then on the back, you will see the on-off function, and there's also a button next to it which has all the different features, before the light features and the different coloring features. So here is just a basic light. My favorite is definitely, I know it's gonna be really hard to see because I'm right by the window here, but my favorite is this candlelight flicker, which is right here. It has just a really pretty glow, but there are some different color settings too. I think there's 10 different color settings, which are actually what my son loves the most. He loves like the different red you can do. There's orange, there's that yellow, there's also green, and blue, and then there's pretty purple, and there's pink. But like I said, I really love the candlelight flicker mode. But so anyway, so in here, that's, like I say, it's one great way to incorporate the holiday scents into your house is by using your diffuser and just using it naturally. You have one of those, they're awesome. Oh, thanks for sharing, Michelle. Yeah, I love mine. I absolutely love it. I have the Dewdrop diffuser as well, which is great, but this Desert Mist is my favorite. It's, like I said, has all those different features, plus I just like aesthetically how it looks. It has like this kind of Moroccan trellis design, which I think is really kind of modern. It fits in a lot of people's decor. So like I said, I really love the Desert Mist the most, I would say. So that is one of your options in the premium starter kit. So all you have to do, like I say, is just add your Christmas Spirit to your diffuser. Now, there are other ways you can incorporate Christmas Spirit that I was reading about the other night that I cannot wait to try. One of the other ways is to use it as a DIY carpet cleaner. So what you can do is you can add about, what it said, 15 to 20 drops of your Christmas Spirit, mix it with about, matches any decor. Yeah, I agree, I love it. Thanks for sharing that, Michelle, I do. Because you know, it's interesting, because my house is kind of, I would say, more transitional or modern, and my mom has the exact same one, and she loves it. And I would say her house is probably decorated more traditional, and it looks great in both decor options. But anyway, so you can use it as a, but I focus more on the vitamins. I like watching your videos about how you, thanks Terry, I appreciate that. Thank you for sharing, that's really nice. I'm glad. I love the vitamins too. There's so many great supplements from Young Living, so thanks for sharing that. Okay, so like I said, you can use it as a DIY carpet cleaner. So you can add about 15 to 20 drops of your essential oil with about 2 cups of baking soda. combine that together, sprinkle it on your carpet, and then leave it there for, I would say, a couple hours, and then vacuum it up. So I cannot wait to try that. And you can use that with any essential oil that you want to incorporate into your house, but especially for the holidays, what a great way to really infuse your house with the Christmas spirit scent by using it as a DIY carpet cleaner. Another way that you can incorporate this is I know I read that, Michelle, and I was like, why haven't I done that? I love that idea. Another way that you can incorporate it is by making your own air freshener with it. So take, I would say, like a glass spray bottle, put, I would say, probably about 30 drops of your Christmas spirit in the spray bottle with about 2 cups of water, shake it, and then that is your air freshener. So you don't have to use any sort of aerosols or anything like that has all those, like I say, those chemicals and synthetic fragrances. And I'll tell you why I love to use essential oils for scents is not just because it's much healthier, but also because there are a lot of side effects that come with using, like I say, some of those synthetic fragrances. Like for instance, you can have different skin irritations, or if you're someone like myself, I actually have allergy-induced asthma. So I can actually have like coughing attacks with it. Bet you make your furniture nice and fresh. Yeah, I agree. I just love the way it really infuses the smell in the house. It really smells nice. But I get coughing attacks like if I'm around candles or some of those canned aerosols. Like for instance, my husband used to use a spray deodorant, and whenever he would spray it, I'd have to leave the room because I would just have these major coughing attacks. So that's why that's one of the big reasons why I absolutely love using all natural way to infuse scents into your house by using them with a diffuser. Or like I say, I love this idea with the carpet cleaner. So like I said, my favorite scent for the holidays absolutely is Young Living's Christmas Spirit. Love that. I'll drop the link for this oil if you want to pick it up, or if you want to read more about it down below as I hop off this video. Now there are there's a lot of other blends, but there's 2 that I'm going to share with you that if you don't have Christmas spirit, but you do have your premium starter kit, then you can try these. So the first blend is actually, I would say it's called Candy Cane, and what you're going to combine is about 4 drops of your Stress Away and 2 drops of Peppermint. So both of these oils come in your premium starter kit, and you can make this blend, like I say, in your diffuser, or you can make an air freshener with it, and just like I say, at home. And just, that's one thing I will say about having, your own premium starter kit where you have all 11 oils. It is so fun to just kind of create one of your favorite custom scents. So try your 4 drops of Stress Away, and like I say, about 2 drops of your Peppermint, and see if you love that. It smells like a candy cane. Another option you can try if you have your premium starter kit is combining about 3 drops of your Thieves oil, 3 drops of your Thieves with about 4 drops of Citrus Fresh. That again, you're going to get kind of the woodsy smell in the Thieves, and you're going to get that citrus smell that is incorporated obviously with your Citrus Fresh. So that's another good one to try for the holidays. Now I will say, if you love the smell of like spices and really gingerbread, there's one, any pumpkin, I love it. I don't have one for pumpkin, but if you love spices, I will tell you, Michelle, there's one called Gingerbread House, which actually I like. It is 3 drops of ginger, 2 drops of cinnamon, 2 drops of clove, and 1 drop of nutmeg. So if you love kind of like that spicy, smell of the holidays, try that combination. Like I say, 3 of ginger, 2 of cinnamon, 2 of clove, and 1 of nutmeg. But what I will tell you, Michelle, is the best thing to do is go to Pinterest and in there search anything like a diffuser blends or holiday diffuser blends. There is a myriad of different ideas that like I say, it's just fun to try the different scents. And if you have your premium starter kit already, these 5 ml bottles have about 80 drops. So you can try a myriad of different diffuser blends until you kind of create one of your favorite ones. Anyways, those are my favorites. Christmas Spirit is absolutely my favorite, but those other 2 blends, the Peppermint one, and then like I say, when you combine the Thieves and the Citrus Fresh, that's also a really good one that you can try just if you have your premium starter kit. So if you want to get your kit, you can check out that link that's in the post here. If you have any questions about any of these essential oils or about how to make different diffuser blends, you can always leave a question down in the comments or direct message me. I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye-bye.